Good morning, dear children. Today I will teach Standard 6 first chapter of civics, the rural local self-government. So what do you mean by the term local self-government? Local self-government means a local body who has been elected by the local people. That means a body of important members which has been elected by the people of that very area. For example, you have a panchayat in a town or in a village can be called as a local self-government. So basically, local self-government can be found in two sectors, the rural areas and in the urban areas. Rural can be constituted for villages and for smaller towns. Urban can be constituted for bigger towns or cities. Under rural self-government, you have panchayat, block samiti and the zilla parishad. Remember, under rural you have panchayat, block samiti and zilla parishad. Under urban you have municipal corporations, municipalities, cantonment boards and port trust. Now what is Panchayati Raj? Panchayati Raj system is a function of system of governance in which Gram Panchayat are the basic units of local administration. Here Gram Panchayat plays the major role. The system, in this system, the Gram Panchayat, there are three levels, the Gram Panchayat, Block Samiti and the Zilla Parishad. So basically in the system, in the Panchayati Raj system, the Gram Panchayat plays a vital role, this one. And then you have the block samiti and then you have the zilla parishad. Now what is a panchayat, or you can say what is a gram panchayat? It is a association, or you can say a small body with 5 members who has got one head as the panch, also referred to as sarpanch. The panchayat is chaired by the president of the village known as the sarpanch. The Gram Panchayat is the lowest unit of the Panchayati Raj Institute at village level, governed by the 73rd Amendment. That means when the Constitution was edited 73rd time, that time Gram Panchayat was included in the Constitution, and it goes with the rural local self-government. The Gram Panchayat is divided into wards, and each ward is represented by a ward member. That means each ward has a head, the ward member, also known as the panch. And the whole village panchayat has one association known as the panchayat, and that panchayat is headed by the sarpanch. Moving on next, let us now discuss what are the powers and functions of the Gram Panchayat. These are the regular functions of the Gram Panchayat: taking care of health sanitation, providing pure water for drinking, providing drainage and street light and road construction, housing facilities, establishing village industries, providing elementary education, maintenance of records of death, birth related to cattle census, population, crop, unemployed people. These are the functions of the Gram Panchayat. From where does the Gram Panchayat gets the fund to maintain all these functions? Let us discuss. The taxes on the property, on the land and the goods and the cattle of the Panchayat area, the fine, the grants of state union and union governments helped by the above upper self-governments, part of land revenue, and the donation from the villages. Moving on, next point is Panchayat Samiti. The next tier of administration is the block level. That means after Gram Panchayat you move to block level. In the block level you have one person nominated by the district collector. In the block level, seats are reserved for women, one seat for scheduled caste and one seat for scheduled tribe. These are the backward tribes, and you can say the other tribes of our country, and membership are fixed for women, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Functions of Panchayat Samiti. Nevertheless, they are same as Gram Panchayat, implementing development of agriculture, establishment of primary health centers and primary schools, supplying of drinking water, drainage, construction, development of cottage and small scale industries, establishment of youth organization. And from where do they get this money for these all functions? From the Panchayat Samiti and the grant aids and loans from the state government. The state government provides funds to the below government, local governments, to other governments, so that they are able to run smoothly, fulfilling all their functions. Moving on next to the Zilla Parishad. The Zilla Parishad can also be called as district council or can be called as district panchayat. It is the third tier of the Panchayati Raj system. So the first tier was Gram Panchayat, second was your Panchayati Raj, and the third is the Zilla Parishad, also known as the block panchayat, or you can say the district panchayat. What are the functions of these Zilla Parishad are? It supervises the panchayat, advises the state government, supervises the working of the community development, monitors the projects, builds and maintains primary, secondary schools, hospitals, dispensary, primary health centers, establishes and maintains cooperative promotion of industries and arts. Now, Zilla Parishad is the link between the Panchayat Samiti and the state government. The state government is your capital of the state government. Panchayat Samiti is the lowest form of government, and the Zilla Parishad, you can say, is the link between these two, as it is in the district level. Zilla Parishad composition, it consists of chairperson of Zilla Parishad has its own members, composition subpradhans and chairman of the subordinate Panchayat Samiti. That means the Panchayat Samiti Sarpanch, all the Sarpanch of the Panchayat Samiti will be holding a position in the Zilla Parishad. Next, the block development officers, the MPs and the MLAs of that district. One representative from each of the cooperative society. This composition is for 5 years. From where does Zilla Parishad gets the money for their all these functions? Again, from taxes, from all the kinds of fines and the fees, from market fees, a part of land revenue, income from different properties of Zilla Parishad, grants given by state and central government, and the funds given by state for development activities. So all these important parts are there in the presentation. I hope you will understand it. Thank you.